Welcome back to On My Channel. Now stop scrolling because in the next few seconds you'll witness the most shocking crashes, the funniest driver failures, and the most satisfying moments of instant karma on the road. Don't go anywhere. This is where cars and comedy collide. When you try to teach someone a lesson with a hot coffee, be ready for physics to teach you one back. Watch this driver get a face full of regret. You are watching the most shocking bad parking revenge we've ever filmed. This driver didn't just move the car, they pulled the engine right out. Was this extreme or justified revenge? You are watching a masterclass in why you don't argue with a tow truck steel hook. This owner learned the expensive way. Sheer willpower is no match for heavy machinery. We didn't know a car scratch could trigger such a massive cry session. This woman is experiencing the kind of despair usually reserved for a lost juice box. After all that terrible parking, wait for the ultimate plot twist. Was this helpful woman a kind soul or the master prankster who just drove off with the car behind her? When you think there's no way out, remember this driver who escaped the narrowest spot without a scratch. This is proof that a cool head saves both your car and your insurance premium. Is this man the real-life Hulk, or did this car just weigh as much as a cardboard box? Watch this unbelievable display of strength as the car is tossed like a toy. Watch this shocking display of road rage, bumping both the car in front and the police behind just to get ahead. This driver decided an immediate police chase was worth saving 30 seconds. We didn't know the Hulk was a parking enforcement officer. This shocking revenge shows that instant karma is sometimes delivered by pure muscle. Was this a fair punishment for bad parking? Watch this shocking accident that proves why you should never cut a corner near a parked truck. This driver learned a very expensive lesson about hidden dangers on the street. We have to side with this boy on this one. This shocking scene proves that a basketball court always has the right of way. Did these drivers deserve the damage for ignoring the obvious? We have to ask, Was it cheaper to rent a tow truck for an hour or call the police? Watch this homeowner bypass the headache and remove the blocking car himself. Watch this, a tow truck doing good work today, lifting the wrongly parked car and setting it perfectly. That's what we call professional parking assistance. This driver decided calling the police was too slow, so he leased a solution and relocated the problem car himself. This is truly the most dramatic form of do-it-yourself parking enforcement. This man laughed at a woman's parking skills until she proved her genius by parking perfectly and exiting through the sunroof. The man stunned to see this parking skill of the woman. This isn't just bad parking, this is a full-scale garbage intervention. Was this shocking pile of trash a nasty prank or the dirtiest parking revenge ever filmed? Watch this driver take a lesson for impatience. This couldn't wait 3 seconds for the gate to open, and now they've guaranteed an expensive repair bill. This parking spot was clearly marked for a car, but these cyclists decided to teach a lesson in efficient use of space. Do you think this group effort is funny or just pure road rage? We have to ask, was this car parked in the wrong place or did the owner insult the wrong person? This damage is a terrifying reminder of the cost of public road rage. Breaking news, world's first cartoon walk caught live. Even GTA characters are asking for her training manual. This isn't road rage. This is a full-scale emotional emergency happening right in the middle of the street. Watch this terrifying moment when a stranger loses all control in front of the public. Watch this woman choose the hardest path possible. When there's a clear, dry exit, why walk straight into the flooded side? This is a truly shocking lack of common sense. Was this bold parking or just asking for a free ride? Either way, car S getting a new view from above. Watch this shocking moment as a giant crane flips over. This driver had a split second to jump for his life. This is the luckiest and most terrifying near miss we've ever filmed. Watch this masterclass in total driving failure. We have to ask, who gave this person a license when they can't even park straight in a space big enough for a car? We have to ask, who do you think should back up first? This unbelievable scene proves that sometimes the only way to lose an argument is to let your ego drive your car.
Barstool $40, baby.
Reminder, don't argue with stupid...
Where trying to prove a point. You're going the wrong way. You're holding up no parking spot. Where are you gonna go? Am I wrong? Am I wrong? I got you.
Forget the rain delay, this tow truck is a dedicated savage. Even a massive downpour won't stop them from proving that illegal parking always gets a free, unexpected ride.